Hi guys, thanks for tuning in. Today I'm going to be going to an area that I haven't been to in a few years, and I've been waiting to bring the CB500X in here. It's a place I used to bring my trials bike. So I don't know, it's a little more overgrown than I remember. So we'll see how we get on. Okay, so this is gonna be interesting. Let's see what I remember. Okay. What's cool about this place is there isn't actually very much loose rock. So there's quite a few steps and stuff here that I'm not sure if they're coming out on camera or not. That's kind of It's kind of funny how when you build up to stuff for practice, the things that you would have completely overwhelmed you or you wouldn't even bother done before seem very doable. So I'm not sure I would have been able to come here 12 months ago without building up my skill level on the bike and getting to know the bike and its capabilities. My own confidence with the bike as well. Like a lot of the times the bike will do it if you know how to do it yourself. Okay guys, if you liked the video, please hit the like button. It just really helps with YouTube algorithm and stuff. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. If you're interested in the videos, please subscribe for more. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. Ooh.